Good morning. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Traxxas amplifier with just the like a 4S, 3S, or 2S lipo. Now I did get this information from Martin Bulla 7654, so thank you very much for the information. He said that you can use a red and green and a black wire to power the amplifier and then cycle with these buttons. So I'm going to show you that it is indeed possible. So here I'm connected to red and green and also black. It doesn't matter which red or green you use, but you have to use red and green. So here I have a 4S lipo. So I'm going to connect the negative. There we go. And then, of course, you know how lipos work. You have your the two leads is a 1 cell, then 2, 3, and then 4S. So to show you, a 1 cell does not work. A 2S will work. You can see the lights, and you can cycle. Now this light is used, so it doesn't work. The low beam doesn't work on this one, but it would cycle the low beam if it worked. So that's a 2S. Then this would be a 3S lipo. You can see that works, and then a 4S lipo here as well. So you can see that this clearly works. So thank you again, Martin Bulla 7654. So a huge shout out to you, man. Thank you for giving me that information. So this is certainly a way to set this system up on a non-Traxxas ESC. So good information. Thank you very much. So thanks for watching.